Hello everyone, myself ASI Supriya and I am from CSC C section. Welcome to the Tech Talk video of probability and statistics, and my topic is Poisson distribution. What is Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution is limiting form of the binomial distribution in which n, the number of trials, becomes very large and p, the probability of success of the event is very small. The distribution was derived by the French mathematician Simon Poisson in 1837, and the first application was the description of the number of deaths by horse kicking in the Persian army. Why we need Poisson distribution? Poisson distribution used in cases where the chance of any individual event being a success is very small. The distribution is used to describe the behavior of rare events. Examples: the number of defective screws per box of 5,000 screws, the number of printing mistakes in each page of the first proof of book, the number of air accidents in India in 1 year, occurrence of number of scratches on a sheet of glass. Use of Poisson distribution in pharmaceutical. Control limits for number of tablets rejected from an online metal detector during tablet compression cycle. Microbial counts in raw materials, products, and water for pharmaceutical use. Control limits for number of containers rejected from visual inspection of sterile production batches. Alert limits for microbial levels in clean room environment. Release limits for microbial counts in non-sterile products. The Poisson distribution: P of x equal to e to the power of minus m into m to the power of x by x factorial, where x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, e equal to 2.7183, m equal to the mean of Poisson distribution, that is the average number of occurrence of an event. Condition under which Poisson distribution is used: the random variable x should be discrete. A dichotomy exists. Happening of the event must be of two alternatives such as success and failure. Applicable is those cases where the number of trials n is very large and the probability of success p is very small, but the mean np is equal to m infinite. Statistical independence is assumed. Characteristics of Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution. It depends mainly on the value of the mean m. This distribution is positively skewed to the left. With the increase in the value of the mean m, the distribution shifts to the right and the skewness diminished. If n is large and p is small, this distribution gives a close approximation to binomial distribution. Since the arithmetic mean of Poisson is same as that binomial, Poisson distribution has only one parameter, that is m, the arithmetic mean. Thus, the entire distribution can be determined once the arithmetic mean is known. The Poisson distribution is a discrete distribution with a single parameter m. As m increases, the distribution shifts to the right. All the Poisson distribution is skewed to right. This is the reason why the Poisson probability distributions has been called the probability of distribution of rare events. Thank you.